Hi, I'm Darryl. Welcome to the shop. Today we're going to take a look at cutting dovetail profiles on your bowl blanks for mounting on your Nova chuck. There are several ways to do that. We're going to demonstrate a few using tools that you probably have in your shop already. To see how that's done, stay tuned. We'll get right to it.
The tools that we'll use in this video include a square edge scraping tool, such as the Tenon I have pictured here, a parting tool, and two different specialty dovetail cutting tools, each with different profiles. We will begin with the recess mount. As you can see here, the cutting of the dovetail profile allows for more accurate registration against the jaws of the chuck. Here you can see me using the Tenon tool to cut the recess in the bottom of the bowl. To cut the dovetail profile with the parting tool, simply present it at 10 degrees and cut down the wall of the recess. You can use the 10-in-1 gauge to check your progress. There are specialty tools made specifically for this purpose with the dovetail profile cut right into them, like this tool from Nova. With the tool rest positioned at or slightly below center, place the tool flat on the rest and move it to the side until the profile is cut into the walls of the recess. Tools with this profile cut in a very similar way. Simply align the long side of the cutting edge with the bottom of the bowl and move the tool across the tool rest until you cut the profile into the side of the recess. And now the tenon or spigot. As you can see in the illustration, the cutting of the dovetail profile on the walls of the tenon allow for more accurate registration against the jaws of the chuck. Present the square edge scraping tool at approximately 10 degrees. You can clear a little room here and then make your cut. With this tool, align the shorter side of the cutting edge with the bottom of the bowl and make the cut, establishing the dovetail profile on the tenon.
I think you'll agree that the process of cutting dovetail profiles on your tenons and recesses is a fairly straightforward process. Doing so will ensure the greatest hold of your workpieces on your Nova chucks. Thank you for joining me in the shop today, and I'll catch you next time.